Setting up a job. Purpose. In this section, the following is described: how to load the paper, how to operate with the user interface, how to start your first job. Take a stack of printed paper and place it on the feeder table in the desired orientation. Align the magnetic paper guides with the edges of the paper stack. Ensure the paper is pushed into the corner and is aligned to both the registration wall and the front wall. Select media, media size, in our example S03, media thickness, for example 0.25 mm, and media weight, in our example 250 GSM. Press the green check mark to confirm your settings. Now press pattern, select the desired folding pattern and confirm your settings. Take a single sheet from the stack and use it to set the magnetic stacker guides to this paper size. When done, return the single sheet to the stack and press the Proof button. Replacing EasyBlade sets. Purpose. The machine is supplied with a single standard Crease blade set. The blade set can be rotated to produce up or down facing creases without flipping the stack of paper. Optional blade sets to produce narrower creases or to cross perforate are available. In this instruction it will be shown how to swap the standard Crease blade to an optional narrow crease blade set. Open the top cover. Push down the bridge assembly in the spot indicated by the green dot and pull it towards the operator side to unhook it. Pull the blade set upwards to remove it. Store the unused blade in a safe location. In this case it is the standard 0.25 to 0.4 mm thick blade. For this example we will use the narrow blade, 0.1 to 0.25 mm thick. Note: a label on the blade set indicates paper movement direction. Ensure the blade is installed in the correct direction. Insert the new blade set. Reinstall the bridge assembly and ensure it locks in place. Close the top cover. From the user interface, choose Tools, change Crease blades, select the correct blade type and direction. Click the green check mark to confirm. Adjusting crease skew and depth. Purpose. If the crease is skewed too shallow or too deep, it is possible to easily adjust it. If the crease is skewed, move the adjustment knob. If the crease is too shallow or too deep, use the adjustment lever on the EasyBlade bridge. Press the Proof button. Inspect the quality of the crease. In this case we have a skewed crease line and the crease line is too shallow. The crease adjustment knob needs to be moved slightly to the right and the crease depth needs to be increased. To adjust the crease skew, loosen the crease adjustment knob by rotating it counterclockwise. Move the knob slightly to the right and tighten clockwise to secure it. Open the top cover. Move the crease adjustment lever to the paper registration side to increase the depth of the crease. Close the top cover. Press Proof and inspect crease quality.